everybody, what is up? This is Santa Claus. And today we are playing Garten of banban. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it is a spin-off of the Playtime games, that whole series, except we're focused more on that big green boy as far as I know. It's a couple weeks old, but let's get right into it. New game. Got some computers. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Sir, yes, sir. No more noise. Oh, what's up, little monster? Looks like blood getting smeared. Not sure what that little intro was.
Just shows the creepiness of the game.
Hold WASD or arrows for movement. E to interact with objects. The huge. Hold shift to sprint. Nice. I don't know what the fuck that is. Some kind of key card. Got a little key card. Can we use it on this? We sure can. Let me in this piece. So electricity. We got a drone. Oh, can we? Is that for the remote requires 2 batteries? Okay, looks like we need to go look for some batteries. Ooh. Example A and B. It's a little creepy. All these dudes. Stinger Fling. Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. What a nice guy. Eat vegetables to become strong. Oh shit. Okay, so we got our little drone now. So we can tell it where to go. Controls can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. So I want him to go, I don't know, go touch that button. Boom, boy. Now what? Go touch that button. Anyone speak robot? What's he saying? Oh, okay, I thought we were going for that. Door. Oh, hey, bird. Hey, buddy. Drone, go get it. I don't want it. I'm here to go get the fucking bird. You go take care of it. Go at it. Run at it. I don't want to do it. I don't. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye, buddy. The end is here. Who's this fucking bird? And he's gone. Fantastic. Alright, let's get in here. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. The naughty corner. Okay. I want in there. I want to go in the naughty corner. Bring the drone. Come on, man. You gotta come here. And then I'm assuming we go here and then he comes in here. Yeah? Oh. Oh, I thought it said it's not supposed to break the... Okay, so it can break yellow glass. Go break that shit. Go break it. Come on. Break this glass. Or not? Okay, so you can tell it to run near it, but then it can break the... Okay. Now I'm with you. So we aren't supposed to open that yet, I guess? Okay. Let's just bring the drone out of here. I don't think we're supposed to do anything else in that room. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, we got access to this one. Oh! Okay. We got access. Okay, my drone's here. Go check out that bird, man. I think he's scary. I don't know if he's alive. What's up, man? Are you gonna eat me? Find eggs to feed Opala bird. Sure. You're welcome. You're welcome. We got another egg. I feel like going down the slide is not a good option. Oh, I don't know what that was supposed to be. A little Easter egg. I'll go down this slide. I'm more comfortable with that one. Let's see about getting him to hit that button. Come over here. Come over here, and then we're gonna fly at that button. Now go hit that shit. Go get it. What is this gonna open for us? Ah! An egg out of the slide. How kind. Let's go feed the bird. The bird. Eat it 6 eggs. Okay, we need 3 more. Can I get on this? Does this work? No. So we need 3 more eggs. Okay, that's 4 total. 2 more eggs. Where have we not looked? I see one over here. That's 5. Okay, where would the 6th egg be? Is he hiding one? Is he hiding one for himself? A little slimy bastard. That is some
Base boosted.
action. Okay, so we need 1 more egg. And then we can get our prize, I guess. Is that a button? No. Okay, can we go down the slide? Okay, no. Good. I didn't want to anyways. I didn't want to go down it anyways. That's fine. Let's just keep... Oh, okay. There we go. Got the last egg. Now we'll go talk to the Opala bird. Hey, here's your last egg. Just let me shove it down your throat real quick. Can I have my prize? My drone feels like my little buddy. What was my prize? Claim your reward at the mouth. We got the yellow key card. Okay, so it looks like we can use that here, and then we can do this. I think we were out of order. I think we were supposed to do that one first. Yep, and then now we got that door. We were definitely supposed to do that first, follow the bird. And then, okay, we got a hammer. Distraction at 1. Am I going to turn around? There's going to be something there. Okay, good. Fantastic. So, we got a hammer. Oh, that's probably for the wood up here. We'll go back here. Rip these pieces off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, go turn that on. Go hit that. Hit these lights on. Go hit that button. I'm assuming these are lights. Yeah? Oh, that's an emergency stop. So space to jump. Are we supposed to be just jumping off into this? I'm seeing tracks over there. We do something with that up there. Pull it down, maybe. I want to know what's supposed to happen. I don't know if I'm supposed to jump down or like, is there a ladder over there? Let's do it. What happens? Oh. Black screen. You. You. What is that? You to be reincarnated? Did it twice? So jumping off did not do anything. So we're gonna look again. Was this always here? I thought that that was on that side. Oh. Okay, fantastic. So it looks like that's probably why we needed space. What does that do? Nothing. What is this? Oh, let me get on. Oh, okay, nice. I did not mean to do that, but... Huh? Scary boys? Please do not scare me. We're gonna stop here. Fantastic. Like a nice little ride. What's going on over here? What was my color? See move? What was your color? Oh, okay, so it looks like we have to match all of these guys' colors to open that door. Okay, so we know that this dude was like pink. We'll go through all the colors. So there's red, yellow, pink, blue, green, orange, white. Okay, and then back to red. So this dude was that pink we're seeing on this guy. I think he was green. We'll put this to green. Wasn't this guy like a purple? Baby blue? Okay, so he must have been blue. I would guess this pink, that blue too. Just based off of the bow. Pink, blue, and then maybe white or orange. We're gonna have to go back and look. I don't know what these guys' colors are. Okay, so the one dude with the horns is red. Okay, so red and white for the dude and his girl. Blue for that blob. Let's go back in here. Okay, yeah, here's all of them. So the octopus is orange, white and red for the couple, blue for the little blob, green. We got that one right. So let's go back. Okay, so she is white. There we go. He is red. Wait, what? Huh? I don't think we did that right. But we'll take it. There's a note? I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me, but go. Oh, my God. Oh, whoa. Where did that come from? Sad face is right. I was just reading a note.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Stay. Stay. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh! Yeah. Yeah, what now, bit? Oh. God damn it. Go hit it. Go hit it. Come on. Hurry up and hit it. We're going now. We're going now. We're cheating. We're cheating. So is he. So is he. He's cheating. How do you like it? How do you like it, bitch? Yeah. How about that? How about that? Fucking Opala. Little bitch ass. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing though. So it doesn't tell us what to do next. We came back and saw the colors, but I don't think we got them right. I don't think that it inputted them right. I don't know. But we got the pass for the orange next. I was trying to see if there was anything scary going on in here. Let's TP him in here. And then pretty barren room. Is there gonna be a bird as soon as I start reading this? Uthman Dom Adam? Uthman Dom. So we got a plane ticket here. A little boarding pass. Okay. Oh, look at that. Hit the button. You got it, buddy. You did such a good job. But what did that do for us? Oh, wait, okay. Oh! Well, would you look at that? Fuck these boxes. Get in there. Oh, I can't push them in. So I can't move forward. Is that a thing? Did I just hear something? Okay. I thought I heard like a fucking monster or some shit. Open up. Yeah, let me on here. Psycho bitch. I want him with me. I want to bring my guy. I want him here. If I'm going, he's coming. I want my drone. Is he on it? Is he considered on? Does he come? He's my pet. No! I need him. I need him to survive. Bring him back. Let him come with me. I'm scared. I don't like the dark. I don't want to be down here alone. This is why I need him. Bring him back. What the fuck was that? Can I see? Oh, shit. God damn it. Come on, drone. Get back down here. That is a big-ass hand. Oh! Oh! Did I do anything? Oh. Did I just get murked? He just pulled me to the depths? I think I just got fucked up. All right, well, guess that was Garten. But that was a good game. Garten of banban. Don't get mad at me in the comments if I say that wrong, but fun game. Part 2 comes out in the next week or so, so be watching out for that. We'll make sure to get part 2. Thank you so much for all the support on all the videos. It means a lot to me. Really makes me happy. But for the video, that's all I got.